Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to one and all present here. On this auspicious occasion, we gather to celebrate the 76th Public Day of our nation, a day of pride, unity and patriotism.
It is not just a day, it is a reminder of the sacrifices made by countless freedom fighters in the extent of our democratic constitutions, which came into effect on this very day in 1950. इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगों को हमेशा अपने दिल में बसाए रखना।
Before we begin, let us extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests, teachers, parents and all the students who have joined us today. Your presence fills this event with energy and enthusiasm.
Let us express our heartfelt gratitude to Qasim sir for gracing this occasion with their presence. It's an honor to have you here. Now I would like to call upon Brother Muhammadullah to recite the Qiraat.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما هذه الحياة الدنيا إلا لهو ولعب وإن الدار الآخرة لهي الحيوان لو كانوا يعلمون فإذا ركبوا في الفلك دعوا الله مخلصين له الدين فلما نجاهم إلى البر إذا هم يشركون ليكفروا بما آتيناهم وليتمتعوا فسوف يعلمون أولم يروا أنا جعلنا حرما آمنا ويتخطف الناس من حولهم أفبالباطل يؤمنون وبنعمة الله يكفرون ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو كذب بالحق لما جاءه أليس في جهنم مثوى للكافرين والذين جاهدوا فينا لنهدينهم سبلنا وإن الله لمع المحسنين صدق الله العظيم.
Thank you, brother. Now I would like to call upon Namra Jada from Standard 6 to give a speech.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Namra Muhammad Saleh Jara from Standard 6. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today is to celebrate Republic Day. I feel honored to speak about India's journey to becoming a republic, a story of our struggles, sacrifices and triumphs. On August 15, 1947, India achieved independence after the years of a tireless efforts by freedom fighter. However, gaining independence for only the beginning. The next challenge was create a system of a governance reflected the dreams and aspiration of a free united India. To achieve this, a consistent assembly was formed in 1946. This assembly led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar worked tirelessly nearly 3 years of a draft constitution that would ensure justice, equality, liberty for all citizens. These are our leaders and visionaries like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, and many others. Finally, on November 26, 1949, but it was January 26, 1950 that the constitution came into effect. But India was officially declared sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. On today is we celebrate Republic Day as we hoist our tricolors and sing a national anthem. Let us remember sacrifices of our leaders and vision that their constitution contribute the development to our great nation. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Well done, Sister Namra. Thank you. Now I would like to call Adi Dabiar from Senior KG to give the information about Mahatma Gandhi.
पकड़ लेती हूँ उसको हाथ में मत दो बोल बेटा चल
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Adira Ishdapia, NC Senior KG. Mahatma Gandhi was a great man. He was born on 2nd October. His school name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him Bapu. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Now I would like to call Bilal Bhula from Senior KG to give the information about Maulana Abul Kalam Azad.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bilal Bhula. I study Senior KG. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad was India's first education minister. He was born on November 11th in Mecca. His birthday celebrated as National Education Day every year in India. Thank you.
Well done, brother. I will to call the parade boys to come forward and the group of girls to sing the national anthem. To mark the beginning of this special day, I request Kasim sir to hoist the national flag. Everyone is requested to stand in respect as we sing our national anthem.
एक साथ सावधान, एक साथ विश्राम, एक साथ सावधान, एक साथ विश्राम, एक साथ सावधान, एक साथ विश्राम, एक साथ सावधान, एक साथ परेड Kasim sir, please come and hoist the flag. एक साथ झंडे को सलामियां दे। एक साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेंगे, शुरू कर।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलगी तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाए तव जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
हाथ नीचे।
Thank you, everyone.
Now I would like to call the group of girls to sing Vijay Vishwa Tiranga Pyara.
विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला। मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। शान न इसकी जाने पाए, चाहे जान भले ही जाए। विश्व विजयी करके दिखलाए, तब होवे प्राण पूर्ण हमारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
मैं भी वही सोच
Well done, sisters. Let's call the group of boys to sing patriotic song Mere Pyare Watan.
उनकी आवाज़ बड़ी थी तो वांधा नहीं आया।
मेरे प्यारे वतन तू सलामत रहे, बाग़बाने चमन तू सलामत रहे। मेरे प्यारे वतन तू सलामत रहे, बाग़बाने चमन तू सलामत रहे। तू सलामत रहे, तू सलामत रहे, तू सलामत रहे, तू सलामत रहे। मेरे अजदाद की सलामत रहे मेरे प्यारे वतन तू सलामत रहे बागबाने चमन तू सलामत रहे 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 रब के प्यारों का एक हसी साहिबा बच्चे बूढ़े जवान गली शादमा रब के प्यारों का एक हसी साहिबा बच्चे बूढ़े जवान गली शादमा ए बहारे चमन तू सलामत रहे तू सलामत रहे तू सलामत रहे मेरे प्यारे वतन तू सलामत रहे बागबाने चमन तू सलामत रहे 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 सब्ज परचम सदा तुम उठाए रहो गिर न पाए कभी इसको थामे रहो सब्ज परचम सदा तुम उठाए रहो गिर न पाए कभी इसको थामे रहो जीवकारे वतन तू सलामत रहे तू सलामत रहे तू सलामत रहे मेरे प्यारे वतन तू सलामत रहे बागबाने चमन तू सलामत रहे 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 थैंक यू
Well done, brothers. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only the public has the right to elect their representatives as political leaders to lead the country in right directions. Let's call upon Sister Bushra Mana from Standard 9 to present a speech.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, respected dignitaries, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Busharul Amin Mana, student of Standard 9th. On this special day of Republic Day, we gather to celebrate the unity and progress of our great nation. Today, I want to talk about one of the area where India remarkable achievement in science and technology. India has always had a rich history of learning and discovery. In ancient times, great scientists like Aryabhat, Sushruta, and many others made important contributions to mathematics, medicine, and astronomy. But after independence, India took huge step forward in science and technology, making us proud on the world stage. One of the India's greatest achievement in space technology, the India Space Research Organization, ISRO, has made India a global leader in space exploration. ISRO mission like Chandrayaan to Moon and Mangalyaan to Mars are shining example of our capability. In 2014, India became the first country to reach the Mars on its first attempt with Mangalyaan mission. And in 2019, India successfully launched Chandrayaan-2 to explore the moon surface. These missions have not made India proud, but have also shown the world the power of an Indian innovation. Another important achievement is the nuclear technology. India has developed its nuclear power for peaceful purpose, mainly to generate energy and support for medical treatment. The work of Dr. Homi J. Baba and others helped India become a nuclear power, with nuclear energy playing a vital role in meeting our country's growing energy needs. On this Republic Day, let us all work together to create a future where science and technology help improve lives, bring prosperity, and make India a global leader. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sister. Well done. As we approach the conclusion of this wonderful celebration, I would like to thank everyone who contributed to making this event a success. Let's continue to uphold the value of our republic and work towards a brighter future of our nation. Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day.
Our school has organized a science exhibition in the auditorium. and we invite everyone to visit and view the project created by our students. Thank you.